डिसिजन घेतिल्लें पयलींच 20 तारखेक की तो कॅसिनो शिफ्ट करपाचो म्हणून थंयच्यान रायबंदाचो असो मूड केला तो आनी ताका लागून हांवें आमच्या गांवकारांकय एश्युरन्स दिल्लें आयज तांचे हांव सगळे गांवकाराचें डेलिगेशन घेवन मुख्यमंत्र्या कडेन आयलो मुख्यमंत्र्यांनी तांकां तेंच सांगलां आनी दे आर सॅटिस्फायड समाज दिसता बंद नासता
बंद
ना
तुमी कॉल ऑफ केलो
येस शिफ्ट सब्जेक्ट टू वेदर कंडिशन्स कित्याक ती बोट आसा वी हॅव टू चॅक वेदर इट कॅन गो बिलो मांडवी ब्रिज नाल्यार ते सी रूट घेवचो पडटलो टू शिफ्ट इट ऑर लो टायड लेवल वी आर व्हेरीफायींग दॅट देर इज अ टेक्निकल डिझायन आय डोंट नो आय एम नॉट अवेअर
where it will be shifted to
वी आर शिफ्टिंग फ्रॉम देर
to where inside or it will come outside
our agenda of the meeting was to shift it from that place and we have succeeded in getting an assurance from the highest body of the government, that is honorable CM has given us the assurance and गांवचे गांवकारी बी हांवूय बी आमचो सगळे जाण सॅटिस्फायड आसा डिसिजनाचेर तरी लिगल कॉन्ट्रॅक्ट पयलींच्या सरकारान केला जाल्यार आमचें सरकार ताका नेगेट करपाक शकना बिकॉज गव्हर्मेंट इज अ कंटिन्युअस प्रोसेस सो ताका लागून खंय तरी आमकांय बी तें नाका जाल्यार पसून आमकां तें व्हरचें पडटा
11-member delegation of Ribandar residents, including our local corporator Rupesh Halankar, today met the governor and sought her intervention in removing the casino dealt in Caravela, which is parked and anchored illegally at Ribandar, which has been a nuisance to the local fishing community, besides creating environmental problems in the area. Koldkar, we called on the Chief Minister and the Chief Minister told us that he has already given directions to the Captain of Ports to immediately remove that casino from where it is located now. Now, Governor Mrudal Sinha has also told us that she will also do the needful because looks like she is also personally against this casino culture. So the BJP, which has been actually while in the opposition against the casinos, should follow the same policy and not make a U-turn now that they have now that they are in power. The Chief Minister has told us that the government has taken a decision which has been communicated to the Captain of Ports to immediately shift that casino from Ribandar. So it is going to be shifted to Panjim and it is going to be another casino in addition to the already that 4 are there. So that casino from Ribandar is being shifted on the directions of the government to Panjim.